That is the Last Supper. They are the person who was with Jesus here on earth during the Last Supper. Yes. Oh, see, he whispered to Jesus, and then his ears was removed.
What's his ear?
And it's gonna be on the Garden of Gethsemane. You see? Kompleto pala, ano? Ay, ito pala, panalangin. Oh, this is the prayer in the garden. Look, oh, it looks like a garden, no? You know.